I'm going to teach you 5 unusual things that you can try in your lucid dream tonight. These, you probably haven't heard of these. They're quite unusual. They're not like your usual kind of like fly around, but they are unusual, and I promise you if you try these, they will be very interesting. You've never experienced anything like this in your lucid dreams. So before we get into this, if you haven't been able to lucid dream reliably, I have a free video right here on YouTube. The link's in the description. It might be, I don't know, it might be in the pinned comment or something. So watch that first, and yeah, let's get into it. So the first one is to become an ant. And by the way, if you've heard me say this before, don't worry, there's better ones coming. Become an ant. So you need to essentially like set your expectation that you're going to become an ant, and then you can kind of see the pheromone trails in the ant colony in the jungle. Sounds crazy, and it sounds like, why would I want to do that, right? Nothing special. But I promise you, if you actually do it, it's such a unique experience to be embodied inside an animal, especially an insect that can see something. They have a different sense that we don't have. They can see smells. So it's a very unique experience. I think you should try it out. The next one is, at least has been, quite controversial lately in the lucid dreaming space, and that is to tell yourself or tell your subconscious mind to improve or heal your physical body. This is a very interesting one because you're being deliberately vague here. You're basically going to become lucid, tell your subconscious mind, heal my body or improve my physical body. And so what's going to happen is you're going to notice some changes over the next few days, maybe the next few weeks, and it will be completely different for everyone. So if you've been having this kind of unusual, or maybe you've been in some way sick or something, there's a good chance you'll start to heal from that in unusual ways. And I'm not going to give away too much because it's very interesting. And equally, if there's nothing wrong with you, by saying that, your subconscious mind is going to make some changes to your physical body that you might not expect. I'm going to leave it at that because again, the results are different for everyone. I would love to hear what you think, by the way. So if you have done this or you're going to do it, leave a comment, scroll down, and let us know. The next one kind of ties into astral projection and out-of-body experiences. If you are interested in more of this spirituality style stuff, I talk about it loads more on my other channel, Astral HQ. The link is in either description, or if you go to my channel and click on channels, like recommended channels, it'll be there. Or you can just type in Astral HQ. So with this one, you're going to basically ask your subconscious mind, or ask the dream essentially out loud. So you become lucid, ask the dream, show me my body, show me my body sleeping. And then what's going to happen is that you're going to shift into an astral or an out-of-body experience. And in many cases, especially if you're already lucid and you're quite stable in your lucid dream, you're going to now become able to see your physical body sleeping. And if you haven't tried this before, this is known as an out-of-body experience or an astral projection. And it's very powerful, completely different to lucid dreams. And you'll know that instantly. You'll be able to tell the difference. I do have other videos about that. But yeah, try it out. Let me know what happens. The next one is one that I probably have mentioned before, and that is to find a dream character and convince them that they are in a lucid dream. This has different results for everyone, and I'm not going to tell you what happens because I want you to do it. And the next one is to enter somebody else's lucid dream. This is easier said than done, and this is why I left it till last, because it's quite difficult. So you're going to basically become lucid and set the intention that you're going to find somebody else who is also lucid dreaming. This is known as shared dreaming, and it's kind of difficult, especially if you haven't done it before or if you're new to lucid dreaming. So don't be put off if you can't do this first time. I do have other videos on my channel explaining how to do that. And finally, if you're still watching at this point, congratulations, you have more attention. You have a better attention span essentially than 98% of my audience and of the YouTube audience. Most people don't finish a video right till the end, so thank you. Leave a like if you enjoyed this. It takes 2 seconds and it's really going to help the algorithm. Leave a comment letting me know what your favourite thing to do is. And yeah, go and watch this. Like I said, I made this big video explaining how to lucid dream tonight. So that is in the description, or you can just click the pinned comment.